All right, you are welcome everyone, and I'll be taking you through the downloading of our dataset. Now we are going to download our dataset, which is going to come in form of a CSV format, comma separated value format, and this is a dataset that we'll be using the ChatGPT to analyze our data. So we are going to use this open source repository, which is called a Kaggle. So Kaggle is a platform which allows us to download datasets for free, and or you just have to sign in with your account, with your username, and then you have to log in so you track your history or your interaction or activities on the platform. So basically, at the course introduction, I made mention that we are going to use some artificial intelligence tools such as the GPT-4 or the ChatGPT, any of the versions, to begin to play with our data. So right now in this lesson, we have this data set called the top 75 EdTech apps in Play Store. Now this is a data set containing about 75 EdTech apps in Google Play Store. So what are these EdTech apps? It's a combination of education and technology, kind of an e-learning platform, or it refers to hardware and software designed to enhance teacher to learning in classroom and improving students' education outcome. So we have a whole lot of edtechs currently available in the world, and then we have their different apps available in Play Store. So this dataset is containing 75 of these edtech apps in Play Store, containing also their reviews. So now when you scroll down, you're going to see the content of this dataset. My one is that it has a data.csv file. All right, this is a CSV format with the file name of data containing some of the the columns, title, summary, installs, score, ratings, and so on. And it also has another file called the reviews.csv. So this file contains the different reviews of these apps at the Play Store, where it contains the title of the review, the URL, and kind of all the comments. So this is a data set that we'll be working with in this our lesson. And at the top of this page, you'll see a download button where you get to download this file to your device. All right, and if you are downloading, it's going to come in form of a CSV, which is going to contain the two data sets, which is the data.csv and then also the reviews.csv. And below here we have the preview of what the data is going to look like, something like this, where we have the different columns, the unique values, the different unique values present in the data set, and we can see the available columns right here. All right, so without wasting much time, let's get to download this data set. So click on the download here. It's about 272 kilobytes. Right? So let's download this data. Okay, so we've downloaded it to our local device. So let's show it in folder. So we have it, the name is archive.zip. So first and foremost, all you have to do, you have to extract this file to your device. And when once you launch it, we now have our two different files. One of them is the data.csv, the other is the reviews.csv. So let's head over to open with Microsoft Excel, the data.csv. Right, so once you open this, we're going to contain all this information. We have the title, the summary, installs, score, rating, reviews, size, and so on and so forth. So we have all these available columns in our data set. And remember, we'll be working with SQL. All right, we are going to be working with structured query language. So we're going to look for ways to convert. In our next lesson, we're going to convert this CSV file and also the reviews here. We're going to convert the two files into a structured SQL, a structured query language format, so that we will now be able to use our PostgreSQL or any of the database management softwares you are using to analyze your data. You'll be able to use that to write some queries to analyze your data.